Discover the 6 best tools of 2025. I've done extensive research and reviewed countless models to bring you this list. Check the link in the description for more details. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DeWalt 108-piece Mechanics Tools, Kit and Socket Set. The DeWalt Mechanics Tools Kit and Socket Set, a comprehensive 108-piece collection built for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Whether you're tackling automotive repairs, mechanical work, or home improvement, this kit has everything you need. With a mix of 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drive sizes, the set includes sockets, ratchets, extensions, hex keys, and bits, everything you need for your toughest tasks. Plus, it meets the SAE standard for durability and performance. Key features include DeWalt's innovative direct torque technology, which prevents rounding of fasteners for a tighter, longer-lasting fit. The anti-slip vinyl grip bit driver is ergonomically designed to reduce hand fatigue during long sessions, enhancing comfort and productivity. The knurled ring provides a strong grip, ensuring control in high-torque applications. Plus, with 72-tooth ratchets and a 5-degree arc swing, you can work comfortably in tight spaces. Each tool is hand-stamped for quick identification, so you can grab the right one every time. Whether you're working on vehicles, machinery, or home repairs, this kit is built to last. For precision, comfort, and durability, choose the DeWalt Mechanics Tools Kit and Socket Set, the right tools for every job. Number 2. Zircon Multiscanner A200. The Zircon Multiscanner A200 is the perfect tool for you. Whether you're locating studs, detecting hidden metal, or avoiding dangerous electrical wires, this high-performance scanner ensures precision, safety, and ease of use. The A200 excels in wall scanning, detecting wood and metal studs to help you drill or cut with confidence. It also locates metallic objects like nails, screws, and pipes hidden behind walls. But its most important feature? Live AC wire detection. This ensures you're never at risk of accidentally hitting live wires, preventing dangerous electrical shocks or damage. With wire warning detection, you'll instantly know when live unshielded wires are nearby. Plus, ACT auto-correcting technology automatically adjusts for user errors, ensuring perfect scans every time. The signal strength indicator shows you how close your target is, while the spotlight pointing system visually guides you to the exact location of your target, making drilling and cutting easier and safer. With its ergonomic design, user-friendly interface, and unmatched accuracy, the Zircon Multiscanner A200 is an essential tool for professionals and DIYers alike. Safe, precise, and reliable make your next project safer with the A200. Number 3. Lennox Utility Knife Quick Change. The Lennox Tools. Gold Quick Change Retractable Utility Knife is the perfect solution. With an 8.2-inch length and a weight of just 0.4 pounds, it offers both portability and power. Built with durability in mind, this utility knife features a titanium-coated stainless steel nose that resists wear and tear. The result? A long-lasting tool that won't lose its grip or performance even during tough tasks. One standout feature is the quick change mechanism, allowing for fast blade swaps without needing to open the handle. Say goodbye to downtime, just pop in a new blade and keep going. This knife also includes shatterproof titanium-edged blades that stay sharp longer and offer exceptional cutting performance. Plus, there's built-in storage for up to 5 extra blades, so you're always prepared. The manual retractable handle ensures safety when the blade's not in use, preventing accidental injuries. Whether you're working on home improvement, crafting, or professional projects, this knife is versatile enough for cutting cardboard, plastic, and more. With its ergonomic design and superior construction, the Lennox Tools Gold Utility Knife is the ultimate tool for reliable, efficient cutting. Upgrade your toolkit with Lennox Tools Gold, where performance meets convenience. Number 4. No-Cry Clear Anti-Fog. The No-Cry Clear Safety Glasses, designed for both men and women. Whether you're working in industrial environments or enjoying recreational activities, these glasses deliver essential protection for your eyes. Built with a polycarbonate wraparound design, No-Cry safety glasses offer full coverage, protecting your eyes from both direct and peripheral hazards. They're ideal for a variety of environments, from construction sites to DIY projects at home. Plus, they come with the prestigious ANSI Z87.1 certification, meeting top standards for personal protective equipment. Comfort is key, and No-Cry doesn't disappoint. With adjustable temples and soft nose pads, these glasses provide a customized fit for long-lasting comfort. Non-slip rubber grips ensure they stay securely in place during physical activity. The lenses feature advanced ultra-shield technology, including fog-resistant and scratch-resistant coatings, offering optical clarity in all conditions. And with 100% UV protection, your eyes are safeguarded against harmful rays, no matter where you are. Backed by a lifetime warranty, No Cry guarantees long-lasting performance and customer satisfaction. Invest in quality, durability, and comfort with No Cry Clear Safety. Glasses today. For reliable, high-quality eye protection, choose No Cry. Protect your vision without compromise. Number 5. Jumpstarter Hulkman Alpha 85S. The Hulkman Alpha 85S. A high-performance jumpstarter designed for those who need reliable assistance in emergency situations. With a 2,000 amp peak current and a 2,000 biomatter battery, it's built to tackle even the toughest engines. What sets the Alpha 85S apart? It operates in extreme temperatures as low as 40, making it ideal for cold climates. The Hulkman Alpha 85S is capable of jump-starting vehicles from motorcycles to trucks, offering reliable power for large engines. It also features fast recharging with its 65W speed charge, ensuring it's ready when you need it most. Plus, it can charge devices like smartphones and laptops via USB ports, making it a versatile companion for any road trip or emergency. The smart clamps offer protection against reverse polarity, short circuits, and overheating, ensuring safe operation. Plus, the overcharge protection prolongs battery life, while LED indicators provide real-time status updates. With its powerful performance, extreme weather resistance, and compact design, the Hulkman Alpha 85S is the perfect tool for anyone who needs a reliable jumpstarter. Whether you're in freezing temperatures or facing a dead battery, the Alpha 85S has you covered. Number 6. Jacko Elite Pro 100 PSI. The Jacko Elite Pro Tire Pressure Gauge, the professional-grade tool designed for precise, reliable tire pressure readings. Whether you're a driver or an automotive professional, this gauge ensures your tires are always optimally inflated for safety, efficiency, and longevity. Accuracy is key. The Jacko Elite Pro is performance-tested and calibrated to meet ANSI standards, ensuring accuracy within plus 1.5%. No batteries, no complex calibration, just precise, reliable readings every time. Built to last, the Jacko Elite Pro features solid brass construction and a shock-resistant gear-style protective guard. The Hybrid Flex leak-proof air hose combines flexibility and strength, resisting damage for long-lasting durability. Designed for ease of use, the built-in air bleeder valve quickly releases excess air, while the 360-degree swivel chuck ensures you can check tire pressure from any angle. With a 2-inch glow dial for clear, visible readings, the gauge locks in pressure until you reset it. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a 100% lifetime warranty. For professionals and enthusiasts alike, the Jacko Elite Pro Tire Pressure Gauge is the ultimate tool for maintaining optimal tire pressure. Reliable, accurate, and durable, it's built to perform.